This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: a Face ID iPhone and iOS updated. Open Messages, pick a conversation, then tap the Animoji monkey and press plus new Memoji. Start with skin tone and base complexion so subsequent features sit correctly. This matters because proportions and highlights are calculated from that base. As you tap options, the preview updates use that to compare tones and undertones. Keep moving. Choose complexion, freckles, and gloss now. Then proceed to shape, and once done with the base, you customize feature by feature so the Memoji reads naturally. You'll go through head, hairstyle, eyes, brows, nose, and mouth in order, reason being each selection affects perceived age and expression. Use color pickers and sliders to tweak hue and saturation. Small shifts often look more realistic than extreme changes. Make sure to test different eyebrow thickness and eye spacing because those anchor identity. If available, open advanced options to refine chin, jawline, and symmetry for professional balance. You're at the finish line. Tap Done to save your Memoji and it becomes available across Messages, FaceTime, and the emoji keyboard. You can edit it later, make adjustments when lighting or look changes, and create different versions for mood or outfits. To use, select the Memoji and Animoji, Record, or Send stickers. If the face tracking is jittery, make sure to clean the True Depth camera, restart the phone, and confirm iOS is current. That usually fixes recognition and performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.